Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're going to talk a little bit about banana trees, which I think it's more not like a tree. But anyway, bananas, it takes about 2 years for them to produce bananas. They'll grow, the first year they'll grow from, this was from a pup, and a pup is these little things that comes up on the bottom of the banana tree. Now, normally what you do, you won't let a lot of pups grow. Now this one's actually putting out 3. I'm going to give one away. These that I got were given to me, and so I'm going to kind of pass that on. But this pup's going to have to be dug away from it. What happens is next year this will be big enough and it'll put on bananas, and this pup here will be left to grow beside it, and it'll be the one for bananas the next year. Because once they produce bananas, you cut down that one because it won't produce again, and it's going to produce off this next one, and that keeps you bananas every year. But anyway, what we're going to do today, we're going to take take this pup out. Now I'm going to remove a leaf here. I hope this tree won't be too angry at me, but it's kind of right there in the way. And I'm going to get down here and see if I can't dig around here and get this pup without doing much injury at all to my banana itself. And that's not going to be a hard thing to do, but we'll do a little weeding while we're down here. Get these out of the way. We don't want to bury them up. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to come around here beside this pup, and we're going to try to get it loose from here. We'll give it some room to come out, to come away from it. And we're going to kind of spread it away as we give it room. We've got some pretty good sized roots coming off the main one, and we kind of want to leave those. We don't want to damage a lot of the roots to our main banana. Now it probably would survive just fine, but we're not going to take any chances. Like I say, minimum damage. We're getting down here. We're going to try to pull this off. Well, we didn't do a good job of that, so we're going to get one on the other side. And try to get this pup separated off of here without tearing it up. Now there are a lot of roots in here. You can see coming off the main part of the banana. We're going to try to get this thing loose. We're not going to get in no big hurry, because if we get in a hurry, that could be a problem. Now we're going to try to slide down here between the plant with a shovel. Now, we really don't have a lot of room. I think I've got another shovel that might work a little bit better. We need to separate this from the main one, and let's hope that we did a good job there. Okay, and there we go. Now it's got a few roots on it. What we'll do is pot this up and we'll gift that one to somebody. We're going to put all this soil back in here and water it back in. But I hope this is a helpful video for those of you that are wanting to grow bananas, and for those of you that want to share your bananas with someone else. Just the simple job of taking one of those pups off the main plant. I hope you found some value in this video. And of course, if you want to see more content like this, just subscribe, hit that bell, and select all so you'll be notified, and give it a big thumbs up. Enjoy that gardening experience.